Where do categories show on your site? So if you have a course, go to courses and across to categories, and you've set up your categories and you've added a course to those categories, then you can get to the categories and view the content within them, the amount of courses, by doing a few things. So one is we can take this URL and you can add this as a link in your menu system, referencing this URL to just show that category. This is one way of doing it. Let's have a look at this category. You can see there's one course in there, and you can see this one is another course in here. So let me go and just show that one, and you'll see that this course appears. So we have the two different courses in two different categories. Now you'll also notice when you do hit this category page that you can actually go through the category list and jump between the categories inside here. So this is another way to get to it. But this actual block itself can be put into the pages. So let me show you now how to put this block into the pages that will reference categories inside. So I'm just going to go to a site page. You can put this into a course page, you could put this into pages in your site, anywhere where you can use the page builder. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to edit this custom page that I built here, and I'm going to put the block in that will dynamically show this inside it. It's really simple. We just drag and drop it straight into the page, and you can style it as you like, and then you'll see the changes. So I have this page here, and I'm going to go to blocks on this side, and I'm actually going to go down to what's called courses here. So inside courses you can see that we have different types. If you look at this one, all courses show, and they just show the courses. But if you look at this block, it actually shows a category and a filter or a search list. This is the one that we wish to use to get this same effect across here. Let me show you both of them. I'm going to drop the one without in first of all, and you're going to see that we just have the courses, all of the courses that are in our site. Next we're going to drop another block in, which is this block here, and this is the category block. I'm going to drop this in, and you'll notice the difference. You now have this category selection here. So if I save this and preview the page, this dynamic block brings content in based on the category. At the moment you can see the category says all, so it shows everything inside here. Let's preview this page now, and if we scroll down you're going to see the static one here, and you're going to see this one, and if I click inside here you're going to see that this content will automatically jump to the correct page, and then you can just shoot through the different categories. So this is how we can put these in here. Now as I mentioned before, you can actually set it up on the menu system if you wanted to as well. So if I go back to edit this page and go into this menu, and in this menu I'm going to select the settings here, and I'm going to come across the menu, and I'm going to add a new menu, and I'm just going to call this marketing, which is one of our categories. So let's click save to that, and let's go and select the action, which is to go to a link. The link I'm going to use is going to be the link from the category. So if I go to courses category and I choose this marketing link here, I can drop that link into here, and I can click save. So now if I preview this page, what you're going to see after I've saved it is that I will have this option up here under marketing, and because it links to this URL, it will jump directly to that filtered page. You'll still have the option to change categories inside here as well, but you've got this option of creating this inside the menu system itself. So imagine you could actually create a drop down menu here going to different categories in your site. So you can do it two ways. You can drop it into a page or even into a course pages, and you could drop it into the menu system itself. This is how categories work inside of Zenler.